You can now one-shot award-winning websites with Claude Fable 5. Not templates, not another AI slop landing page. I'm talking scrollable, cinematic, eye-stopping websites like this. All you need to do is install one skill and one tool, and then just run a super simple prompt. So get your coffee ready and let's go. Now, if you want to see what an award-winning website looks like, head over to this website. I'll leave a link in the description. Just look at these scroll effects. Every section flows into the next like a story. The visuals are so vibrant, it almost doesn't feel like you're on a website anymore. Now, this is the level of polish that makes people stop scrolling and start exploring. This is the bar we're aiming for today. Before I show you the system, here's what happens when you just let Fable loose. I gave it total free reign to create websites starting with a header section, and here's what it came up with. Take a look at a few of these. A gaming example, a furniture example, you get the picture. Now, here's my honest take. While these may look technically impressive, if you watch other AI Claude Fable 5 videos, you will see the exact same type of sites come out. And these looks are going to get clocked as AI design fast. This is the trap most people are in right now. So here's the system I landed on. 3 steps. Step 1, plug in Higglesfield MCP. This gives Fable 5 real image and video generation, not just CSS tricks. The setup is super simple. Just go to Higglesfield, head to MCP, copy the URL and authenticate. Now Fable can generate its own assets, its own images and videos. Step 2, start with the header section. You don't want to ask for the whole website. Nail the hero section first. This is your anchor for everything else, so it's easy to fix now. And don't worry, I'll show you how to create the prompts at the end of this video. So you can iterate here until it looks right. Now look at the difference between the free reign hero and the Higglesfield powered ones. Now, once you're happy with the header, and only then you can move on. Step 3, go full website with the scroll world skill. Now we want to add in some animation and some scroll effects. So let's run a proper comparison. Here's Fable 5 on its own, and here's Fable 5 with Higglesfield and scroll world. First, here's what Fable 5 came up with without Higglesfield, just CSS animations and parallax, which is like a scroll effect. It's better, but it's still not massively impressive. Now, here's the scroll world version. This is the skill I promised you at the start. And full credit to Peter Wang who open sourced this. It's free to download and install. Here's how it works in a nutshell. It generates an anchor image. Higglesfield then turns that into scene videos. The frames get extracted and then mapped to your scroll position. And don't worry, the skill walks you through an interview. How many scenes, what anchor images, how to handle mobile, and it asks you to approve the anchor image before it spends any credits. And here's the final result. Just watch this. It's not even close. You can't even compare it. So let me show you exactly how to write the prompt that creates these websites. Remember, it's just one skill, one tool, and one simple prompt. You invoke the scroll world skill, then give it 3 things. 1, what the website is for, your brand, your product, your offer. 2, the art direction, the style, the mood, the world you want to build. And 3, how many scenes you want. Remember, 4 is the sweet spot here. So it looks something like this. Scroll world, create a website for my coffee brand. Cinematic, morning-like start, warm and premium, 4 scenes. And that's it. The skill interview handles everything else. And if you don't know what style you want, just have a back and forth with Fable and it'll help you find it. Now, a quick reality check, because I always keep it honest with you. Each build takes around 5 to 10 minutes max. It costs Higglesfield credits, and 4 scenes is a sweet spot. 6 is overkill. And these are visual spectacles. Adding your CTAs, forms, and copy on top is the easy part. Now, everything is linked below: the scroll world skill, the Higglesfield setup, and my example sites. And if you want to see what other skills I can't live without, watch this next video. Now, go out and build something, and I'll see you in the next one.